This is updated of overall architecture of 5G. Service domain for the vertical slice specific realization. Slice instance at 1 EMPB for AR VR. NetApp, UPF, SMF. Here E2E service in E2E service operation. E2E service creation and operation. Vertical control loop. Slice instance to NPN URLLC for edge robotics. NetApp, UPF, NetApp, SMF, UPF. Service layer in this network domain. Service layer management MEC or RIC, CSMF, NSMF, operator control loop, SPMA bus, MRF, EGMF, MDAF, Orchestron, WAN control function, WAN controller, WAN, NF, Vivo, VNFM, VIM, CISM, NFVA, orchestration bus. This is orchestra. These all are operator control loop. MEC, RIC. Here mobility management. This is full network domain. Here. Mobility management, QoS management, index management, Reddit management, RAN bus, GNB, CU, DU, RU, NW, NSSF, NEF, NRF, PCF, UDM, AUSF, AMF, SPA bus, core, SMF, UPF. Here infrastructure domain, common data acquisition, processing, abstraction and distribution. Core central cloud, infrastructure domain, full infrastructure domain, WAN transport, edge cloud, beyond edge, all are connected. So these all are updated overall architecture for 5G. Roles in 5G provisioning systems. Roles in 5G provisioning systems. That is customer, vertical ecosystem, up to here. Okay. G provisioning ecosystem. Operation support providers, communication service provider, digital service provider, NASA's NSWS provider. Three all are connected to with the operation support provider and hardware, software suppliers, including vertical customer suppliers, and connected to network service aggregator with orchestral capabilities. Network operator connected in operation support to providers and a network service aggregator, hardware software and software supplier, vertical customer suppliers, and infrastructure aggregate with orchestral capabilities. VASP including WAN connected to infrastructure aggregator with orchestral capabilities, hardware and software suppliers including vertical customers suppliers, data center aggregator with orchestral capabilities. Data center service provider connected to data center aggregator with orchestral capabilities as shown in figure, and connected to operation support provider and connected to hardware and software supplier including vertical customer suppliers. Impact of non-public networks and the actor role model. Here NPN short abbreviation is non-public network. WAN service provider. What service provider? Wireless access technology is a WAN. W for wireless, A for access, T for technology. It allows for indoor coverage using one or more wireless access technologies WAN, including 3GPP, 5G-NR and non-3GPP wireless technologies, example Wi-Fi and Li-Fi. What aggregator? That is wireless access technology aggregator. It allows federating different WANs together for an unified and consistent management of wireless resources when used in conjunction, example for bandwidth aggregation, enhanced reliability, and etc. DSCP or Permis Edge provides infrastructural services in local environments leveraging the use of edge clusters. These clusters are built out of small scale servers sized for local execution and typically provisioned with hardware acceleration solutions. These constitute a key difference with respect to the commodity servers in the data centers, thus establishing a clear demarcation point with respect to traditional DSCP core cloud telco edge cloud. So then extensions of the 5G actor role model for NPN support. 5G PPP architecture working group under this. 5G architecture white paper B4.0. Here public communication digital SC, CSC, DSC. Public communication digital SP, CSP, DSP. Under this 5G PPP architecture working group. Public network PLMN. Public PL network PLMN. Here this public communication digital SP, CSP, DSP connected to network service aggregator. This public communication digital SC, CSC, DSC connected to public communication digital SP. This is SC. Here SP, CSP, DSP. Then connected to public communicator digital SP, CSP with DSP connected to public network operator NOP. This public network operator NOP connected to infrastructure aggregator. This infrastructure aggregator connected to VISP. This VISP connected to DCSP core cloud telco edge cloud. This infrastructure aggregator connected to LTE 4G. This infrastructure aggregator connected to here two-way, here one-way, connected to NR 5G RATSP. Here, under 5G architecture white paper VA 4.0, private communication digital SC, CSC, DSC. These connected to private communication digital SP, CSC, DSP, and connected to two-way in with network service aggregator. These private communication digital SP and CSC, DSP connected to private network factory transportation hub. Private network operator NOB. This one connected to infrastructure aggregator and then VASP through infrastructure aggregator. It is connected to VASP and VASP connected to DSCP on premise edge in two-way, and private network operator NOP already connected infrastructure aggregator, and this one connected here VAT aggregator also, and VAT aggregator connected to NRSG, NR5G, Wi-Fi, L5, Watts SP. So this one operator support providers. So extension of the 5G actor role model for NPN supported. Verticals requirements on extended architecture. Architectural solution for verticals requirements of extended architecture. Architectural solution for verticals requirements of extended architectures. Architectural solution 5GPP project additional reference. Cluster vertical specific architecture extension. 5G Victory 225, 226 additional reference. Private networking for industry 4.0 smart energy facilities 5G Victory. E2E network architecture to support digital mobility service and record KPI 5G Victory. Vertical specific architecture extensions considering vertical third party AFC, VNFS and edge deployments and orchestral automation 5G solution 2 to 10. A list of network components and technologies supporting the cluster architecture evolution is identified and split through several domains to support the vertical use cases, applications, and use case experimentations, deploying and instantiations of various services, including MEC servers, various APIs to signal deployment and the edge orchestras for network slicing deployment and various KPIs monitoring, physical 5G infrastructure, hardware, PNFS and computer resources, virtualized infrastructures, SDNs, VIM and platform monitoring tools, network slices and services resources, orchestras, inventories and services catalogs, multi-site orchestras and inventories, mobility management and proofing, VNFS life cycle management. Use case service design tools, monitoring and data analytics systems, data visualization, KPIs analysis and data analysis, outputs exposure to dashboards for further visualization, evaluate applications, KPIs focused on availability, reliability, mobility, broadband connectivity, latency, coverages, QoS experimentation, service optimization. This is reference architecture for common large scale field trial.